What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about Honey. So this is a web browser app that you can essentially install in Google Chrome. I believe it's only for Chrome. Well, I use it for Google Chrome, and this specific app can help you get coupons that you may have not already known about or found for certain websites, and essentially utilize them to get items cheaper. Now, I know a lot of people usually don't use coupons because they don't know where to get them from. If they get it in an email and whatnot, okay, they'll use it. But most people usually don't. I personally used to search, if I'm at, let's say, Abercrombie or Hollister and I'm buying clothes, I would Google something coupon for this day, and if then I go to those weird websites and I try to find them, and if something comes up, great. If not, then screw it, I just wasted my time. But this app does it for you. It already compiles the list of coupons, and certain sites give them coupons on purpose to basically entice people to buy from their websites. They basically take a commission from that coupon, not from you, from the provider themselves, so such as Pizza Hut or whatnot, and that's how they make their profit. It's completely free. You don't have to pay or anything of the sort to essentially use it. I'll leave a link for it in the description below for you guys to check out and basically purchase, the product you're trying to buy, and go from there. And I'm going to show you as an example on how this works. So we're at Papa John's right now. We're going to basically throw a bunch of crap in there, try to buy some chicken poppers, some chocolate chip cookie, and once you're done, you got your order ready. Essentially what you're going to do is it automatically pops up. I did test it out, so I'm going to show you again. It automatically pops up, and essentially you apply the coupons. I'm doing a reapply, but you apply the coupons and it's going to show you exactly what happens. If you already noticed on the right side, the price already dropped because it tests all the different coupons it has and it chooses the best one essentially. So you can literally see my original price was $32. If you don't believe me, just go back in the video. But the price was $33, and with Honey now it's $25. You literally saved $8. You lose nothing while doing this. It's literally an add-on. It just pops up as soon as you're about to check out. In majority of the websites, it'll literally pop up, and it'll literally hey, I have this many. You want me to search them? You say yes, and boom. If there's nothing, it'll tell you oh, there's nothing. You already have the best price. Then you either purchase it because you were going to purchase it, or you come back at another day when there's a better coupon available. But as you can see, you saved $8. Come on, man. You were paying $33, now you're paying $25. That's pretty damn worthwhile. I would say that's a very good and worthwhile deal. In my perspective, definitely go for that, man. But yeah, it's again free extension. I am not promoted or partnered with them. They did not pay me a dime to make this video. If they want to, please hit me up, Honey. I am more than glad to do this. This video is not sponsored or anything of the sort. I just thought it was a very cool and informal tip because a lot of people like my Postmate video with coupons and tips and whatnot. So I was like, you know what? Here's another one with the promo codes and coupons to basically discuss how you can utilize this one to your benefit and whatnot. So hopefully, I hope you guys do found this helpful and informative. If you did and overall did enjoy it, definitely like this video. Share the video with your friends and family so they can save some money as well. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And FNH out. Peace.